Hey Tech Squad! Today we're diving into one of the most mind-blowing intersections of tech and biology. Elon Musk's Neuralink has successfully implanted a brain chip in a paralyzed man named Noland Arbaugh, and the results are rewriting the future of human potential. We'll break down how this chip works, what it means for medicine, and why critics are calling it both a miracle and a moral minefield. Let's get into it. In February 2024, Neuralink announced that its first human patient, Noland Arbaugh, a 29-year-old paralyzed from the shoulders down after a diving accident, had received a brain-computer interface called the N1 implant. Fast forward to 2025, and Noland isn't just controlling a cursor. He's texting, gaming, and even sketching digitally, using only his thoughts. But how did we get here? Neuralink's journey started in 2016, with Musk claiming the tech could one day merge humans with AI. Critics rolled their eyes, until 2021, when the company demonstrated a monkey playing Pong with its mind. Now, with Noland, they've proven it works in humans. Let's geek out on the tech. The N1 implant is a coin-sized device with 1,024 electrodes threaded into the brain's motor cortex. These electrodes detect neural signals, which are wirelessly transmitted to a computer. Machine learning algorithms then decode those signals into actions, like moving a cursor. But here's the kicker. Unlike older BCIs, Neuralink's device is fully implantable and rechargeable. No wires sticking out of the skull. Noland charges it overnight via induction, like a smartphone. Still, it's not perfect. Early reports noted signal issues, likely due to scar tissue or electrode movement. Neuralink's already working on version 2. For Noland, this chip isn't just tech, it's freedom. In interviews, he's described playing Civilization 6 for 8 hours straight and texting friends independently for the first time in years. But let's zoom out. Over 5 million people worldwide live with paralysis. Neuralink's tech could restore autonomy to millions. But at what cost? The surgery requires removing a chunk of skull, and the long-term risks are unknown. Plus, at an estimated $100,000 or more, accessibility is a huge hurdle. Neuralink's faced heat for its rushed animal trials, alleging over 1,500 animal deaths since 2018. Then there's the bigger question, could this tech be weaponized, hack your brain, track your thoughts? Musk insists Neuralink's focus is medical, but his long-term vision includes consensual telepathy and merging with AI. Ethicists warn, without regulation, BCIs could deepen inequality or enable surveillance. Imagine a world where your thoughts aren't private. Chilling, right? Neuralink isn't alone. Competitors like Synchron and Precision Neuroscience are racing to commercialize BCIs. But with Musk's resources and ambition, Neuralink's the frontrunner. Up next, Neuralink plans to trial implants for blindness, memory loss, even depression. Imagine restoring sight with a chip, or downloading skills matrix style. Wild stuff. But for now, let's celebrate Noland's victory, and stay vigilant about the risks. If you're equal parts excited and terrified about BCIs, smash that like button and subscribe. Let me know in the comments. Would you get a brain chip? Check out our deep dive on AI ethics, linked here. And stay curious, Tech Squad. See you next time.